Hi everyone. So I'm reviewing the questions from 8EE7A that my advanced class missed the most. So this one was one of them, number 9. 72% missed it. So we are reviewing before you guys do it, okay? So, and it looks ugly, okay? So it says the Dig It project is designing 2 gardens that have the same perimeter. One garden is a trapezoid whose non-parallel sides are equal. The other one is a quadrilateral. 2 possible designs are shown below. Okay, so those are the possible designs. Based on this design, is there more than one value for x? Complete the explanation for how you know this. And then, oh my goodness. And then you select either yes or no, I guess. Let me see, yes or no, because the perimeters are equal to get the equation, who simplified. So let's read it again. The Dig It project is designing 2 gardens that have the same perimeter. So 2 gardens that have the same perimeter. One perimeter is a trapezoid whose non-parallel sides are equal. These two are parallel, and then these two are not parallel, so these two sides are equal. And the other one is a quadrilateral. 2 possible designs are shown right here. So now, are they going to be equal? So I guess we're going to have to write an equation and then solve it and see if they're going to be equal or what do we get. Okay, so on my work over here, I have I'm going to write the equation right here. So remember, the perimeter is the distance around the shape, okay? So here, the perimeter for this one would be, they have it right here, see? So it's going to be 2x minus 2 plus the other 2 sides, x plus 1, x plus 1. So x plus 1, they use the parentheses to show you each side, plus x plus 1. So that's the 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, and 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4 sides. Now the other side, the other equation is, I'm going to start off with 2x minus 9. So 2x minus 9 plus x plus x plus 8, and then plus x plus 1. So all they did is they used the parentheses to separate the sides. There's really nothing that we have to multiply the parentheses. So then we can just jump into combining like terms. So in here, the like terms are 2x, then another x, and then another x, and then another x. So we have 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That's going to be 5x. So 5x. Now we combine the constant terms, -2, and then plus 1, and then plus 1. That's actually going to be 0. So it's just going to be 5x. Then on the other side, okay, we put the equal sign. Once again, I combine like terms, the variable terms first, 2x plus another x plus another x plus another x. That's going to be 5x. And then I combine the variable terms. -9 plus 8 is -1 plus 1 is 0. So 5x is equal to 5x. What does that mean? That means that this equation has infinitely many solutions. So this is it's the same. Okay, so since both sides are exactly the same, this system has infinitely many solutions. Okay, so let's go back and put the answer. Let me see which one right here. So based on this design, is there more than one value for x? Yes, it has infinitely many values. Because the perimeter are equal to get the equation, which simplifies the statement into 5x is equal to 5x, meaning that there are an infinite number of values for x. Now let me see if I got it right. Yeah, I got it right. Okay, so now the next question. Why does your answer to part 1 make sense in this context? The condition was that two perimeters are to be equal. The perimeters have to be equal. However, a specific number was not given, so they didn't tell us what number they want. So there are infinite number of solutions, number of possible perimeters, because they didn't tell you how much it was or anything. They just have to be equal. So then we can put anything that we want. Okay, let me see. Did I get it right? Yay. Okay, last part, 3 out of 3. Suppose the digit project wants the perimeter of each garden to be 70 degrees. What is the value of x in this case, and how did you find out? So look at, they gave you a clue already. So this is the equation that we're going to use. Now it's going to be equal to 70. So now we got to solve it. So now I'm going to go back in here. And what I'm going to do is, instead of being equal, I'm going to set the first part, control copy, the first part to be equal to 70 units. So now, once again, we combined all variable terms first, 2x plus x plus x plus x. That gives me 5x. And we already learned that the constants will cancel each other out. -2 and +1 they cancel each other out. So we get equals to 70. And now we got to divide both sides by 5 to leave the x alone, because the x is being multiplied by 5. So we divide by 5. We divide by 5. And remember, to show the division, we put a fraction bar. We underline it right there, and then we underline the 70 to show that it's being divided by 5. 5 here divided by 5 is 1. 1 times x is just going to be x equals, and then 70 divided by 5. 5 goes into 7 one time. We're going to have 2 left over. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. So it's going to be 14. Let me check on my answer over here. So the value of x is 14. I obtained the equation like that from the trapezoid, because we used the first one. Oh, no. For the this is not a trapezoid. Oh, yeah, this is a trapezoid. Sorry, getting it confused with the parallelogram. Okay, solving this gives x equals 14. Okay, let me see. I pressed the next one. Let me go back. Sorry. Oh, it's not going to tell me, whether I'm right or wrong. Okay, so I think I'm right. Thank you so much for listening.